Hindustan Aeronautics is assembling two Tapas medium-altitude long-endurance UAV at its Bengaluru facility. The Indian Army has inducted 250 units of Polaris high-performance off-road vehicles that is engineered to meet the demanding needs of modern military operations. NewSpace Research and Technologies has been granted an Indian patent for an innovative artificial intelligence system that is designed to manage heterogeneous swarms of robots. India has offered Brahmos air-launched supersonic cruise missile to Malaysia on the opening day of National Security Asia 2024 International Exhibition. 3 Indian Navy warships have arrived on a 4-day goodwill visit to Philippines. India has announced the appointment of new defense attachés in Ethiopia, Mozambique and Ivory Coast, and Algeria and Djibouti will have defense attachés soon. With the Mirage 2000 approaching retirement by 2035, there are reports that the Rafale fighter jets would take over the nuclear delivery role from the Mirage 2000. The Rafale possesses superior capabilities compared to the Mirage 2000, and if India pursues local production of the Rafale through the MRFA program, it could potentially be integrated for nuclear delivery. However, the Air Force might also consider the AMCA for this role, as it will offer greater survivability in contested airspace during nuclear delivery missions. The Indian Air Force is all set to clear a proposal to acquire 200 Rudram-1 new generation anti-radiation missiles that is designed to neutralize enemy air defense systems, including surveillance and tracking radars as well as communication infrastructure, that will empower the Air Force to effectively suppress enemy air defenses, paving the way for unhindered operations in contested airspace. According to official sources, the Indian Army has received 27,000 AK-203 rifles, and the program is on track after initial delays, and another 8,000 rifles will be handed over in the next 2 weeks, that will feature 25% level of indigenization. As per contractual terms, the first 70,000 rifles will be produced in India with a phased increase in the extent of indigenization from 5% to 70%, and the remaining 5.4 lakh rifles will be produced with 100% localization. The full-scale production of the AK-203 rifles is expected to be reached within 2 to 3 years. Experts have said that India must prioritize the development of jet-powered HALE UAVs over turboprop UAVs, as turboprop UAVs are slower, that makes them more vulnerable to interception by enemy aircraft and air defense systems. Turboprop UAVs also have lower payload capacities compared to jet-powered UAVs, and this limitation affects their ability to carry advanced surveillance equipment, electronic warfare systems, and larger munitions, which are crucial for modern military operations. Today's top 3 comments.